Hello students, now we will see the sixth exercise. See in the second lesson, sixth exercise. See, mettez les verbes au passé composé. Put the verb in passé composé. So, see the first exercise. So, 5 verb is given here. All the verbs are reflexive verb because in front of the verb you have se. So, it is called it as a reflexive verb, and you must use to conjugate this in passé composé using être verb, that you remember. So, now we will change now. Je, pronoun verbs में être verb conjugation for re is suis, and reve cut e acute. So je suis, être conjugations is suis, and me reflexive verb, and reve it will come. Je, we don't know, it can be a feminine or masculine first persons. It is feminine singular or masculine singular. So I have to add one more e in the ending. Je me suis réveillé à 6 heures. I am woke up at 6 o'clock. Okay. Second one. Tu says lever to this week. Lever. Verb is say lever. Say again is present here. So it is a reflexive verb. So you must see subject is tu. So reflexive pronoun of tu is te. T apostrophe because the suis after verb conjugation is es for tu. So T apostrophe you have to write. Lever past participle is cut e accent grave. Tu is we don't know again, it is feminine or masculine, so I have to add e in the bracket. Second person masculine or singular, that tu can be. So you have to add e in the ending. Tu t'es levé, tu the sweet. Tu got up immediately. Third one, elle s'est brossée. S'est brossée. One's T. So she is brossée. Reflexive pronoun of elle is say, s apostrophe. Auxiliary verb after verb conjugation is est for al, and bros e acute, er is ending, er you can cut, and e apostrophe. So here clearly we can see, so here al is the feminine, you can add e in the ending. Elle s'est brossée. She is brushing. Okay. Or sorry, she is brushed. Nous c'est premier. Nous is the subject. C'est peigner is the reflexive verb. To comb the hair, that you must conjugate in passé composé. So now we can conjugate using être conjugation verb. Nous. Reflexive pronoun is again one more nous. Être conjugation for nous is sont, and past participle of penny is cut e acute. Subject is nous. We don't know whether it is masculine or feminine plural, so I have to add yes. Nous sommes preniers because plural form it is. Hair mostly feminine. Il s'habiller. They to dress up. S'habiller is dress up. Il. Subject is il. So reflexive pronoun of il plural form is se. Être verb auxiliary verb for il is sont, sont, and habiller, cut er and e accent grave, habiller. ILS is the subject, is a third person masculine, so no need either, but you have to add s because it is plural. Okay. Ils se sont habillés. They got or wear the dress. Okay. Thank you.